Hello and good morning. My name is Yancey Labay,
My name is Bagalay.
and we are doing experiment 3, getting started with Node-RED using Raspberry Pi. So for our first observation on our first flow, we first implemented and inserted the inject, debug, and function nodes. Together, they will have a function wherein if you press the timestamp button here, you can see that in the debug display, as you can see, different timestamps will come out. So that's made possible by using the function node in there. And so as you can see, we edited the timestamp to have an interval every 1 minute.
Lalagyan mo lang ng slash UI sa UI.
Natapos na yung So for the second flow, we have implemented one inject node, an HTTP request node, a CSV node, a switch node, a change node, and 2 debug nodes. What this does is it gets the data from the earthquake website, turns it into CSV, and then when we set a condition wherein if the magnitude of the earthquake becomes 7, it yields a panic message on the debug sidebar. So, for our third output of this activity, we used one switch node and another slider node. This one represents the simple on and off switch, and this one represents the simple PWM switch. So, we both named them Riley's Bambang Light and Riley's DD Room. So, initially they weren't working, but we assigned them to a group and a tab for them to be able to be deployed successfully. Okay, so this is the UI that was generated from our Node-RED code. So as you can see, Myrnie is controlling the slider. Voila.
I switch.
Now it's the switch, controlling the switch. On, off, on, off, on, off. And this is our setup. And so to conclude, Node-RED is a powerful open-source low-code programming tool built on Node.js that uses a visual flow-based interface to wire together hardware devices, APIs, and online services. When used with the Raspberry Pi, it creates an ideal, cost-effective platform for Internet of Things and automation projects because it allows for rapid prototyping through drag-and-drop nodes, which offers seamless integration with the Pi's GPIO pins for controlling physical hardware and enables the creation of real-time web-based dashboards to easily monitor and control your system from any browser. This combination drastically lowers the barrier to entry for building complex event-driven applications, whether you can use it for simple home automation or more advanced data logging and edge computing.